How do you change the front wing on your Mk3 Skoda? Well, first of all, you're going to have to take the front bumper off, unfortunately. Once you've got that off, you'll be able to get access to the 2 bolts here which secure the front wing to the subframe and remove the front wing. Watch this video here for a detailed step-by-step guide on how to remove the front bumper. Easiest bit first, take these 3 bolts off at the top. Obviously got a bit of paint on them, makes them easy to distinguish, and you can see a bit of tension being released there. So that's a start, and then there's a bolt just here. No, that's just about right. There we go. Now we need to remove the wheel arch liner completely. One. You lost count now. Okay, so 10, 11. Just these that clip out there. That's it. This little thing here slides out. Let's see, it actually goes 14 screws. It's got to pull this bit of what that sound deadening material. Pull it out. Off it comes, simple as that. Okay, so we've got the new wing here, and to start with I'm just going to offer it up because I think some of the mounting points are probably going to need a bit of encouragement, shall we say. These are on pretty well, to be fair. Anyone's a bit worried about, yeah, that's what I thought. So these ones here, then I'll bend this into place to match it. This is the best one. That's a bit more normal, doesn't it? Seems to be lifted up slightly. There we go, that's just about okay. And these, yeah, I'll pull it up too high, look at that. Just come right there, yeah, it's perfect. So let's get these tacked in. Just a minute here. And yeah, this one down there. So let's get these on first, I reckon. Come on. So there she goes.
That's in fine. And there's a bit on top as well.
You just replace this piece of foam rubber that sits just here, just in line with the rain drain just there. So I'm just going to clean the area up with a little bit of IPA. And then I've got these 3M double-sided strips, foam strips, which you can get on Amazon quite cheaply. And I'm just going to put one of those, which actually happens to be a very nice size for the application. Let's press down firmly for a little while.
That'll probably be held in attention, to be fair. That's very neatly, that I'm just going to start with this one here. I'm not going to go all the way in there. I'm going to leave a bit of play on it for the rest of the screws to make sure we can get more lined up. So. Now the torque, the official torque for these is 2 Newton meters, which is a lot less than what this does up. So I'm going to get a lower powered drill driver to do the rest of them up.
So that's how you replace the front wing on your Mk3 Octavia. I hope that helps. Do please consider subscribing. I'll be doing a lot more Skoda videos in the future. Thanks for watching.